Hi, everyone, and welcome to the FSU Law Alumni Spotlight Series. Today, I have the absolute pleasure of introducing Arielle Demby Berger, a proud 2006 graduate of FSU College of Law. Arielle is the Assistant State Attorney in charge of the Conviction Review Unit at the Broward County State Attorney's Office, where she leads groundbreaking work ensuring justice in cases that warrant an additional review. Her unit helped secure the exoneration of Sidney Holmes, who was wrongfully imprisoned for more than 34 years. And Arielle's leadership was instrumental in that process. Beyond her role in conviction review, she's had a distinguished career in prosecution and public service, and she continues to serve on numerous boards advancing the legal profession. We are so proud to feature her today. Arielle, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
So, Arielle, thinking about your time at FSU Law, what's one of your favorite memories from law school?
A few. It was an amazing 3 years, but one for sure is Oxford. It was the best summer of my life, an incredible program. Living there, everything that we experienced, I would tell anyone to do it. Take out the loans. It doesn't matter. It's worth every penny. And the mock trial team. The mock trial team really prepared me to be a litigator, to be a prosecutor, to be able to speak in court. The trial team was amazing experience.
Thank you. And I would totally agree. Oxford was one of the best experiences of my life. And law students, go if you have the
Yes.
opportunity to. So you just said how mock trial kind of helped shape your path. What other FSU law experiences helped shape your career path?
So it was really, I had a moment. I thought before I went to law school, I thought that I wanted to do family law. And so I did the Child Advocacy Center and I loved it. But the Child Advocacy Center is working to help people who are low income, usually with custody. So my 2L summer, I came down here and I worked for a private family law firm. It was a 180. It was not what I wanted to do at all. It was not helping people with custody. It was more about money. It's very, very litigious. And my cousin at the time was a prosecutor, and I went to see her, and I was like, oh, this is a lot of fun. So I had a moment of like an existential crisis. I was like, I don't know what to do with my life. So I asked Professor Jennifer Lavia, I said, I don't know what to do with my life. I thought I'd be a family law attorney. I don't know what to do. What should I do? And she said to me, Arielle, you are very passionate. You will make a great prosecutor. And that was it. So she gave me my job. It was like Harry Potter, the sorting house. You're a prosecutor. Boom.
I love that. And if you could give one piece of advice to current or future FSU law students, what would it be?
Enjoy every second. Don't rush to graduate early because you are going to work for the rest of your life. And those 3 years you have, absorb it. Because also the friends you make, you're going to depend on, hey, 5 years on the road, you need a PI attorney in a different part of the state. It's people who you're friendly with in law school. It's a very professional, collegiate friendship that you need. And so don't rush it. Go to Oxford. Take, if you do not try and graduate early, take as much time as you can and enjoy it.
Amazing. I couldn't agree more. And one last question. Who is a professor or a mentor at FSU Law who really made an impact on you?
So I was telling you how Professor Lavia told me what I should do. I also had the privilege of having Professor Earhart, and I didn't know what a big deal he was. And someone said to me, "Oh, see this evidence book? He wrote that." So when I was there, I was like, "Okay, I'm going to take every class he teaches." And he also coached mock trial too. So I had every class with Professor Earhart, everything. I had him as a mock trial coach, and he even signed my book, my evidence book, to a great future litigator. And so it's one of my most prized possessions. So when people quote Earhart, it's kind of funny because I know how he says it too, how he would say the objection because he's a very booming voice. And so that was a really, really cool experience.
Amazing. Well, Arielle, thank you so much for sharing your journey and your experiences with us. It's so inspiring to hear how your time at FSU Law has helped shape your path and the important work that you're doing today. We're so proud to have you as part of our FSU Law family. Thank you.
Thank you so much.